67 Farmer here. Just ran out to Harbor Freight and got these Pittsburgh Pro sockets. These are the standard, and I just did the metric ones. So I was fighting these, twisting them, cutting them, trying to get them off, and fighting them, trying to get these off these rails. If you don't want to save the rails, well, you probably could save the rails if you wanted to. These are the 3/8. What I did is I took a 5/16 drill bit, and you got little holes in there. You already got a little hole in the inside of it. You just make that hole bigger, and they just pop off. Just put that right in the center of that hole, and the socket comes right off. Hold the socket and drill a little bit more. It comes right off, and there's all your plastic. But it's quick, easy. Comes right off. But you can't use the rail. If you want to reuse the rail, you could go down to a 1/4" bit on a 3/8 drive socket and still save it. And then you'd have to twist the socket and stuff, gently pull it off, and then you can save the rail. These rails aren't really worth anything saving. The deep well sockets, those are worth keeping. I'm not going to keep them. I'm just going to make my own little shelves for them inside my toolbox, but it's easy. You don't have to worry about breaking a drill bit either, because you're just going through plastic. And you get every single one on here. That one's stuck in here. We got 3 to go. It's still stuck in there, but since the drill bit's not in there, just pour it out. This one's actually kind of in there. Go from the other side or something. Two more. Probably go in there with a screwdriver. Pop that out with a screwdriver. Okay, definitely. One more. I don't know if this one's gonna fit. This one's kind of small. Yeah, that's drilling the metal. So we'll go down to one more size. Next size smaller. We'll go down to 1/4" bit. This is how I'm telling you to save them. So you got a hole in there, it's quite large. Move all these down the rail, and you can get this one in the middle. And just twist the socket as you're pulling it, and it'll come off, and you can still save the rail. And you can put the socket back on. It'll eventually wear out to the size of the socket. But here, now we're going to move on to these. That's what you do. You take wire cutters and you go in between every single one of these and cut every single one. Not every single one of them goes into the bottom of it. Like this one here, I don't know if you can see in there, that does not go down to the bottom of the socket, so you don't have to cut that one. I'm going to cut it here so you can get to that. See, that's not even connected right there. You can cut it here. There's that, and you gotta pull your sockets off. They just pop right off. These rails are actually worth saving. You just cut these flush, and you can save the rail. These are my metric. Now I got a complete set of my 3/8 sockets, deep and short. 40 sockets. This one is 10 millimeter up to 20. 10 millimeter up to 17, and it gets 19 and 21. If you wanted to, you could probably just cut these as well. I've done that before. That could be kind of tedious trying to get your wire cutters in there to cut every single one of these. And then that whole plastic thing that's on the outside pulls off if you cut these little tiny things. Probably get in there with a utility knife, but that's how you pull them out. It's kind of hard with wire cutters, so that's how I do it, like I just showed you. That completes that set, and I also have the standard as well. And I kept the rail for that. We're missing a couple because I'm using them. There's that. Sorry, I got a mess in here I gotta clean up. There's my ratchets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.